invited training facilitator, Dr. Rohit from SPC, and also your team from SPC, Principal Agriculture Officer North, farmers, we have some here, and also Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways staff here in the North. And a good morning to you all. It is of great pleasure and honor to be here today and to be part of this very important training being collaboratively organized by staff of SPC and also the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways. This training focuses on integrating One Health approach into soils and plant health. This training is tailor-made to suit our farmers and the Agriculture Extension officers of the Ministry, and we acknowledge in deep appreciation the support given by SPC through our former PAO North, Dr. Rohit. The importance of soil and its interconnectivity in providing medium for food production, meeting daily livelihood, sustainable management systems, and increasing challenges cannot be overemphasized. Ladies and gentlemen, before proceeding, please allow me to remind you all that you are here to be trained. You are here because there is a need for this training to be conducted. You are here because what you will gain from this training is what is required to be disseminated to our stakeholders. This training is part of our capacity building. It is part of your personal growth and development, and the farming communities will benefit and the agriculture sector will grow as an outcome of this training. Soil, and this is what scientists say, soil is a loose surface material that covers most land. It is the upper layer of earth in which plants grow. It consists of organic and inorganic material, and soil provides the structure for support for plants and is used in agriculture and also as a source of water and nutrients. Soil vary differently with their chemical and physical properties. And for that, I think the main purpose of the training will be centered around that definition of soil. Hence, we are here to be reminded of the importance of soils and create more sense of responsibility for the importance of managing, protecting, and conserving, and at the same time utilizing it to meet our daily needs. Ladies and gentlemen, agriculture in Fiji had developed from a far steadier traditional agriculture to a more market-driven sector in the last centuries. This training program integrates the principle of One Health into soil and plant health management. The One Health approach recognizes the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health, emphasizing the need for holistic solutions to complex health challenges. By applying this approach to soil and plant health, we aim to enhance agricultural sustainability, food security, and environmental resilience. Soil health may be defined as the continued capacity of soil to function as a living ecosystem that sustains plant, animal, and human. It is reflected in the physical, chemical, and biological state of the soil. Indeed, soil life and organic matter are fundamental to soil health, whilst soil carbon consequentation and nutrient cycling provides crops with micronutrients and phytochemicals, limiting opportunities for pathogens and sustaining yield with lower nitrogen, fertilizer, and fossil fuel uses. One Health approach or concept was introduced was introduced during the outbreak of zoonotic diseases. One Health effort is in combating emerging zoonoses have included heightened biosecurity and surveillance, improved control of livestock diseases, and attempt to limit the spread of antibiotic resistance. Yet, while recent reviews have noted the relevance of soil microbiomes to the One Health concept and the connection between One Health, soil, and the concept of ecosystem services, soil health as an area of action is not mentioned in the recent One Health Joint Plan of Action adopted by the World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, the United Nations, the World Organization for Animal Health, and the United Nations Environment Programme. Nor is soil mentioned in recent publication by the One Health high-level panel regarding zoonotic disease risk. Interventions focus on rebuilding soil health could help address some challenging problems relevant to the priorities of both One Health and the planetary health approach. By reducing pesticide use and promoting crop diversity, regenerative farming methods can enhance the biodiversity of agriculture field and soil microbiomes, something essential for global biodiversity conservation given the global acreage that agriculture consumes. Better awareness and management of soil health could help reduce the risk of soil-associated pathogens. The global spread of antimicrobial resistance may be slowed by better management of soil microbiomes, although such effort must address the underlying complexity of soil biodata. At present, Extension officers and other local agricultural agents are unable to reliably recommend optimum nutrient inputs. Consequently, this is organized to train Extension officers, agriculture agents, and farmers on the One Health, soil health, and plant health that will involve the physical, chemical, and biological properties of soils in Vanuatu. Ladies and gentlemen, with the concept note provided, we understand that the following topics will be covered: understanding One Health principle, soil health management, soil biology and chemistry, and physics fundamentals, techniques for soil testing and interpretation of results, soil conservation practices, including cover cropping, conservation, tillage, and agroforestry, composting, and organic soil amendments for improving soil fertility and structure, plant health management, practical training and field demonstration on soil sampling techniques and analysis procedures, hands-on exercise in pest and disease identification, and organized field trips. This will be an exciting 3 days for training, and every participant is expected to gain a comprehensive understanding of the One Health approach and its application to soil and plant health management, and enhance collaboration and knowledge sharing amongst professionals from diverse backgrounds, leading to appropriate solutions for agriculture and environment challenges. Thus, improving food security, public health, and environmental sustainability in communities where participants work and live. And then finally, on behalf of the Honourable Minister and the management, we thank the organizing team and you participants. SPC for materializing this plan and the needful and empowerment and build knowledge in our technical staff to confidentially address issues concerning soil in the field. With that, I now have pleasure to declare this training open and wish all the participants a successful 3-day engagement. Now,